In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple Mautic funnel with forms, emails, segments, and campaigns. By the end, you'll have a clean workflow that captures leads, organizes them, and follows up automatically. We'll start by creating a form. In Mautic, head to Components, then Forms, and create a new standalone form. Give it a clear name so you can find it later, then add the fields you need. At minimum, an email field, and optionally first name or any custom fields you plan to use for personalization. Mark the essential fields as required, and if you collect personal data, consider adding a consent checkbox. In the Forms Submit action, choose to redirect to a thank you page. This gives visitors a clear next step and helps you track conversions. Keep the thank you page simple, with a confirmation message and perhaps a gentle prompt to check their inbox. Save and publish the form so it's ready to use. Next, design your emails. Open the drag and drop email builder and pick a template that matches your brand. Add your logo, adjust colors and fonts, and use short paragraphs and clear calls to action. Write a concise subject line and preview text, and make sure your links are correct. Use personalization tokens if you've collected names, and always include the required unsubscribed content in the footer. Preview on mobile and send a test email to yourself to check formatting and deliverability before you use it in a campaign. Now set up your audience segments. Create segments that group contacts by demographics or behavior, things like location, interests, or recent activity. Name them clearly and add filters that match your targeting plan. Segments in Mautic update dynamically, which keeps your lists accurate over time and makes personalization easier without manual work. Finally, build the campaign. Open the visual campaign builder and choose your form as the entry source so that anyone who submits it enters the flow. Connect an action to send your welcome or follow-up email immediately, or add a short delay if you prefer. If you want targeted messaging, add a condition that checks segment membership, then branch to different emails based on which segment a contact belongs to. You can also add simple actions like adding the contact to another segment for future messaging. When everything looks right, publish the campaign. Before you go live, do one full test. Submit the form yourself, check the contact's timeline, and confirm the email arrives as expected. With these pieces in place, you have a streamlined Mautic setup that captures leads, segments them intelligently, and follows up automatically.